When people say post your content, post your content, post your content, you think they are joking. Hmm. They are not joking, no. To be honest, if you are interested in content creation in any way, shape, or form, I feel like you should let go of negativity, let go of feeling cringe, let go of thinking of what other people will say, and just post your content. Because you don't know who is watching, and I promise you, people are watching. These brands are watching. So I just recently crossed 1K views on my YouTube channel. So I got my first brand deal when I had about 600 subscribers. I had 600 subscribers and I got a brand deal. Like, it was shocking because then my channel was even very random. I was posting everything and anything on this channel was very random. But the brand picked that particular subject that I spoke about in that video and sent me an email about it. And it wasn't a recent video, it was a video that I've had on the channel for about a year or so before they emailed me that, oh, they would like to work with me concerning that video and all of that stuff. I was like, oh my goodness, like, what do you mean? What do you mean? At first, I was so shocked because I was like, really? What do you mean you want to work with me? Have you seen my views? Have you seen my subscribers? But now, as I've grown in the content creation space, and also I have been creating on another platform, which is TikTok, I have now grown to understand that most of these brands now are willing to work with very small content creators, like small content creators, because people are actually watching them too. And these people are still the people that will buy from these brands. Do you get? I got my second inbound. How did I get that one too? I received an email concerning the same topic, and I was like, okay, it's like this thing is seeming real now. I'm becoming a big deal now in this place. So you mean you can, like, you just see my page now, want to work with me? It's a really nice experience, to be honest, when you think about it, that, oh, people actually see the work you are doing and see the effort you are putting into your channel, even if it's not translating the way you want it to translate, it still translates in some way, to be honest, and they are willing to work with you. So I also got my third inbound, but I had to decline this one because I felt like I would not be able to deliver what they were expecting from me right now. So I just had to decline it because it is not every offer you are going to jump on. That is what you should realize. Okay, if you want to work with brands, you're going to be receiving brand deals, right? It is not all of these brands that have your best interest at heart. Most of them think about themselves 1 million times before they think about the creator, and they are looking for a creator that they are going to squeeze the life out. So if you don't have sense and if you not read through all of the deliverables. If you not read through all of the deliverables very well, you may fall into a wrong hand or do a wrong collab, and it may backfire later on. So I just thought about it, spoke to a few people about it, prayed about it, and it wasn't looking right. And I was like, this is not going to serve me well for now. So I just had to politely decline that offer. But that is not the essence of this video. The moral of this video is to tell you that brands are watching. If your intention is to be a content creator, a proper content creator that gets all these brand deals, all these collaborations and everything, it happens. It still happens with small creators. You don't have to have 10K subscribers, 20K, 50K, 100K subscribers before brands will be willing to work with you. Most of these brands have budgets, and they may have budgets for small, micro, nano creators, and they may have budgets for the bigger creators. So just keep on posting your content because eventually that is how they are going to see you and want to work with you. And don't be scared also of putting yourself out there, of shooting your shots to brands. If you have access to a particular brand's email, you can just send them an email. Oh, this is me, this is what I do. I would like to work with you. This is my YouTube channel. Or if you are posting somewhere else on TikTok or Instagram, this is how I can help you promote your products. If it's a product or a service, these are the types of videos that I can do, and all of this. Sometimes they will not reply. Sometimes they will reply and say no. The amount of no I have gotten. Hmm? The amount of no I have gotten. Sometimes they will tell you, oh, the worst they can say is no. The worst they can say is not no. It's because some of the no, oh my goodness. But that aside, because once the yeses start coming in, once the yeses start rolling in, you would forget about all those bad energy and bad blood. So, like I said, this is your sign to post your content. Brands are watching, and keep on praying and hoping and putting in the best into your work, into your craft. And I cannot wait to see you succeed. See you in the next video.